Good morning, boys and girls. How are you doing today? Good? Great. Now, boys and girls, do you remember that the other day we worked with these jars and these words, and we learned that the TH can make the th sound like in mouth, and the TH can also make the th sound like in weather. So, today I want you to take these words and we're going to play with them again. Okay, but first we are going to review the vocabulary. So number 1, we are going to review the vocabulary. And number 2, we are going to play the game. Okay, great. Here we go. Now first we're going to review the words that have the th sound. I'm going to say the word and you are going to repeat, okay? Ready? Here we go. Mouth. Mouth. Thursday. Thursday. Thumb. Thumb. Bath. Bath. And bathroom. Bathroom. Throne, throne. Path. When you go to Bualares, yes, you know where Bualares is in Egea, you have to walk on the path to go to Bualares, yes? Path, path. Beneath. Remember, beneath means under, beneath. Wreath, wreath. Think, think. Three, three. 13, 13. Teeth, teeth. Thigh, thigh. Thigh, okay? These are your thigh. You have 2 of them. Theater. In Egea, we go to La Via Theater to see a play. And also you can go to Tudela, to the theater, to see a movie, the cinema. Theater can also mean cinema. Thread. Your mommy and daddy can sew your clothes with a thread. Thread. With. With. Who do you like to play with? Throw. Throw. The boy is throwing the ball. Throw. Thief. Thief. Thief is stealing something. And finally, throat. Throat. Hello, it's me. This is my neck. Yes, do you see my neck? But inside, if I go inside here, this is my throat. Can you put your hand on your neck and go th and go zzz? Do you feel it moves here? Or go b b b b b? Do you feel inside is your throat? Throat. Neck is outside. Inside is your throat. Okay? Now we are going to review the words that have the TH, but it doesn't make the th sound. It makes the z sound. Okay? I'm going to say the words and you repeat, okay? Here we go. Clothes. Clothes. In the morning, I put on my clothes. Weather. Weather. What's the weather like today? Father. Father is another word for daddy. Mother. Mother is another word for mommy. brother. Do you have a brother? Now, a brother is always a boy, okay? If it's a girl, it's not a brother, it's a sister, a brother. Maybe you have an older brother or a younger brother, or maybe you are a brother. Brother. Feather. Birds have feathers. The. This is the marker. These are the scissors. This is the clothespin. This is the jar. These are the crayons. This is the paper. The. This here, this is my marker. That is Mr. Bear. That is Mr. Bear. He's sitting over there. That is Mr. Bear. And where is Mr. Bear sitting? Mr. Bear is sitting on the chair. That is the armchair. Yes? All right. These are Mr. Bear's friends, right? They're sitting together. These are his friends. That is Mr. Bear, and these are his friends. Yes? There. Where is Bingo? There is Bingo. He's sitting over there. Where is Mr. Bear? Mr. Bear is sitting over there. Right? Where are Mr. Bear's friends? Mr. Bear's friends are sitting over there. Are they here next to Esmeralda? No, they're over there. There. They're over there. Do you see? They. Bingo, Meow Meow, Moo the cow, and Charlie the dog are Mr. Bear's friends. They are Mr. Bear's friends. They are Mr. Bear's friends. Them. Do you think that Mr. Bear and Bingo want to play with them? Do you think they want to play with them? Yes. Shall we put them with them? Yes. Mr. Bear is going to play with his friends, and Bingo is going to play with his friends. They're going to play with them. Okay? Do you see them? Do you see them? All of the friends together? Yes? Very good. Now, boys and girls, are you ready today to play with Esmeralda? We're going to play a game, okay? Now, are you ready, boys and girls? We're going to play the game, okay? Now, we're going to look at these words. We have to mix them up, like this. Okay. You have them all mixed up? Yes? Okay. Now, here, remember, this is the th, like in mouth. And this is the z, like in weather. Okay? Okay, here we go. Ready? Here we go. We're going to look at the words and decide where they go. What is this word? Thursday. Where do we put Thursday? Thursday goes with a th sound. Thursday. Very good. Oh, this one is easy. Mouth. Where do we put mouth? We put mouth with a th. What is this one? Father. Does it make the th sound or the th sound? Father. Father makes the th sound. Very good. What is this one? Teeth. Does it make the th sound or the th sound? Teeth. It makes the th sound. Very good. Let's see. I'll mix them a little bit more because or else we'll have all the same together. Here we go. This one. Clothe. I wear clothes in the morning. Clothe. Does it make the th or the th? Clothe. clothes makes the sound. Very good. What's this one? Weather. Oh, this is easy. Weather. Weather makes the sound. Very good. What's this one? Bathroom. Bathroom. Does bathroom make the th or the? Bathroom makes the th sound. Bathroom. Think. 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 What sound is that? Is it like mouth or weather? Think. Think is like mouth. Th, th, th. Feather. Feather. Does it make the th or the? Feather. Feather is like weather. Makes the sound. Very good. Three. Three. Does it make the th or the? Three. Mouth. Three. Weather. Three. No. Three is like mouth. This. This. Does this make the th or the? This. This makes the sound, like in weather. 13. 13. Does 13 make the z or the th? 13. 13 makes the th, like in mouth. Mother. 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 Does it make the th or the? Mother. Mother makes the sound. Very good. That. That. Does that make the th or the? Makes the sound. That. Brothers. Brothers. Does brothers makes the th or the? Brothers. Brothers makes the sound. Thumb. Thumb. Does thumb make the th or the? Thumb. Thumb is like mouth. Okay, it makes the th. The. Does the make the th or the? Very easy. It makes the sound. There. 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 Does it make the th or the? There. There makes the sound. And finally, they. 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 Does they make the th or the? They. They makes the th sound. Okay, so I'm going to take them out so we can look at them again, okay? All right, so there you have it. I will put a picture of this below so you can see. You can play the game with mommy and daddy, okay? Or with your brother or with your sister, and you can practice. Remember, this is the th, like in mouth, thumb, 13, think, 3, bathroom, Thursday, teeth, and mouth. And this is the, like in weather, clothes, father, mother, that, the, this, they, feather, brothers, and there. All right?